Hello everyone, you're welcome, and in this video today I will be showing you how to make use of an electric cutter. This is how it looks like, and this is the on and off switch, and this is just the guide to ensure it doesn't cut you. This is just the blade. So I have here my back pattern here. I have here my fabrics. I have 4 here. So what I'm just going to do is already connected. That is the cord, and all I just need to do is just to measure my allowance of about 1.5 inch on the sides. Now I've just placed the weight on it, and we are good to go. So yes, what I'm going to do is just switch it on, bring it here, put my fabric here, switch it on. So that's how to use an electric cutting machine. Remember to plug it into a power source, switch it on the switch on the handle, and all you have to do is just drag it along your fabric. Remember to add your necessary seam allowance by the side. Now this machine can cut from 10 fabric at once, 10 layer of fabric at once. You can even do less. Now as you can see in the video, I am cutting a particular size block in multiples. You can also use this for 1 or 2 layers of fabric. So I would like to know, which would you prefer to use? Would you prefer to use the scissors for your cut or the electric cutting machine? Please drop your comments in the comment section. I would love to hear from you, and also tell me why. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.